first, okay, let me, even before I suggest you something, let me just clear what is meditation. There are many people have different notions of what meditation is. People think that, sitting and watching a particular light, or watching a particular object, or closing your eyes and, concentrating on the center of your, forehead, or between both your eyes, concentrating on particular thing, they think it's a meditation. Let me tell you, concentration is a byproduct. It is what you get when you meditate. Your concentration improves, your focus improves, your clarity of mind improves. All these are the byproducts of meditation. So what is meditation? If you ask me, I would say you sit and do nothing. Sit and do nothing. You are completely resting and you're completely aware at the same time. You're not getting disturbed by external factors and you're not sleeping at the same time. You are in ease with yourself, you are in peace with yourself. Whatever is happening, that is not disturbing you, but you are aware of it. Not consciously aware, unconsciously aware, by the second brain. So what I would suggest, if you want to see how you are improving with the meditation, there will be few glimpses when you sit for meditate. You're like, oh, what just happened right now? So those glimpses are the sign of you are getting into a deep meditation. But you were still aware a bit that, okay, so there was something happening and I fall asleep. That a thin line between falling asleep and you being aware, that a thin line between that is exact meditation. So what I would suggest you is, when you sit down, listen to all the sounds, listen to, become aware of your surroundings, and then sit down. And then do nothing, just do nothing. All the thoughts will come, active thoughts and passive thoughts. If it is active, you're definitely not meditating. If passive thoughts are coming and you're trying to push it away, then you're not meditating, you're doing something there again. So doing nothing basically is called meditation.